Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we are going to discuss the term criticism. Introduction. Literary criticism as a multifaceted discipline encompasses various approaches to understanding, evaluating, and interpreting works of literature. This video delves into the diverse aspects of literary criticism, including theoretical criticism, practical criticism, and the types of traditional critical theories. It also highlights the major figures and landmark works that have shaped the landscape of literary criticism from ancient times to the modern era. Theoretical criticism. Theoretical criticism seeks to establish a comprehensive theory of literature with general principles, terms, and categories used to analyze and evaluate literary works. Aristotle's Poetics serves as a foundational treatise for theoretical criticism, exploring concepts such as tragedy, plot, and catharsis. Throughout history, influential theoretical critics have emerged, including Longinus in Greece, Horace in Rome, Boileau and Sainte-Beuve in France, and Goethe in Germany. Notable figures from England include Samuel Johnson, Coleridge, and Matthew Arnold. Key works of theoretical criticism in the 20th century include I.A. Riches's Principles of Literary Criticism, Kenneth Burke's The Philosophy of Literary Form, and Northrop Frye's Anatomy of Criticism. Practical criticism. Practical criticism, also known as applied criticism, focuses on specific literary works and writers. It analyzes, interprets, and evaluates individual works, often employing theoretical principles as needed. Among the influential works of applied criticism are Dryden's literary essays, Dr. Johnson's Lives of English Poets, Coleridge's insights on Wordsworth's poetry, and Matthew Arnold's essays in criticism. Practical criticism can be further categorized into impressionistic and judicial criticism. Impressionistic criticism aims to convey the critic's emotional response to a work, whereas judicial criticism seeks to analyze and explain the work's effects based on literary excellence. Types of traditional critical theories. Criticism can be classified based on its primary reference point when analyzing and judging a literary work. First is mimetic criticism. It views literature as an imitation or reflection of the world and human life, judging its value based on the truth of its representation. Second is pragmatic criticism. It treats literature as a construct intended to achieve specific effects on the audience, evaluating its success in achieving those aims. Third is expressive criticism. It interprets literature as an expression of the author's feelings, thoughts, and expressions, often judging the work based on its sincerity and individual vision. And the last one is objective criticism. It regards a literary work as an autonomous entity to be analyzed and judged based on intrinsic criteria like coherence, complexity, and interrelations of its elements. Historical and contemporary developments. Throughout history, various critical approaches have evolved, each offering unique perspectives on literature. Historical criticism, biographical criticism, sociological criticism, psychological criticism, and archetypal and myth criticism are some of the traditional and contemporary forms of literary analysis. These approaches draw upon different fields of knowledge to identify the factors that influence a literary work's characteristics and values. Conclusion: literary criticism encompasses a wide array of approaches and theories, each contributing to a deeper understanding and appreciation of literature. From theoretical criticism proposing general principles to practical criticism focusing on individual works, scholars and critics have explored diverse avenues of analysis. The various types of traditional critical theories provide different lenses through which literature can be examined, offering insights into the inner workings of literary texts and their creators. So this was the analysis of the term criticism. We will meet in the next video with some other term. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask them in the comments section. And until next video, see you and bye bye.